How to delete a project in Lovable. So in order to delete a project, first thing you need to do is to head over to lovable.dev and then scroll down. Once you have access to your actual account, you can find in here your workspace with all your projects that you currently have. I have in here these two projects. So I want to delete this project right here that we currently have. And in order to do this, you can click onto these three dots and click on this delete option, and it will ask this if you're currently decided to delete this. If you do so, click on the delete project option. Alternatively, if you have it opened onto your actual project file and you still want to delete it, what you can do is you can click right here into this drop down option. You can find here some settings. So head over to your settings right here and you can find your project settings. Scroll down to the very far there, and then click on the delete option right here in order to delete this project. So that's how you delete a project in Lovable. I hope this video helped you out.